Welcome to the Grade 12 Mathematics quiz on Unit 1, Sequences, brought to you by DAS Learning Center. This quiz is designed to test your understanding of fundamental concepts related to sequences, including the definition of sequences, types, finite and infinite, and special sequences like the Fibonacci sequence. As part of your Grade 12 curriculum, mastering sequences is essential as it lays the foundation for more advanced topics in mathematics. The questions are multiple choice and range from basic concepts to more complex applications, ensuring that you are well prepared for your exams. Take your time, think critically, and apply what you've learned in class. Good luck! What is a sequence in mathematics? A. A set of unordered elements. B. An ordered list of numbers following a specific rule. C. A collection of random variables. D. A group of similar numbers without a pattern. Which of the following describes a finite sequence? A. A sequence that has an infinite number of terms. B. A sequence that continues indefinitely. C. A sequence that has a fixed number of terms. D. A sequence with no defined starting point. An infinite sequence is characterized by A. Having a specific end. B. Continuing indefinitely without stopping. C. Containing a fixed number of terms. D. Being composed of irrational numbers. What is the general form of a linear sequence? A. An equals 2 to the power of n. B. An equals a plus d times n minus 1. C. An equals r to the power of n. D. An equals 1 over n. Which of the following is a list of terms from an exponential sequence? A. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. D. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Which of the following represents a rational sequence? A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, 1 over 5. C. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. D. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. If the current term in the linear sequence generated by the equation an equals 4n plus 2 is for n equals 4, which gives a 4 is equal to 18, what is the next term? A. 10. B. 14. C. 22. D. 26. What is the defining rule of the Fibonacci sequence? A. Each term is the sum of the two preceding terms. B. Each term is the square of the previous term. C. Each term is a prime number. D. Each term is double the previous term. What are the first 5 terms of the Fibonacci sequence? A. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. B. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. C. 0, 1, 2, 4, 8. D. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Which of the following is an example of a term in an infinite sequence? A. Fifth term in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B. The sum of all terms in a finite sequence. C. Last term in 2, 4, 6, 8. D. 100th term in the Fibonacci sequence. How many correct answers did you get? We hope this quiz helped you sharpen your understanding of sequences and gave you a clearer insight into how they work. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering these concepts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more quizzes and lessons from DAS Learning Center. Feel free to share your results or any questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and keep striving for success. See you in the next video.